All right, y'all. So before we get into today's video, I just wanted to put a little disclaimer. During the time of me filming this video, my daughter was in the background. I didn't think that my mic picked up on the sound of her being in the background, but it did. So you guys are going to be hearing her throughout this video, but I hope it isn't just too distracting because the information in this video is really good. So if that doesn't bother you, keep on watching. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Hey guys, it's the Financial here, and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button and join the family, because I guarantee if you have good taste, and that's only if you have good taste, you'll definitely like it here. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video, and I hope you guys are doing good. And judging by the title of this video, you are interested in learning a couple of head wrap styles for beginners that you use to wrap your locks, natural hair, etc. Now I'm titling it Natural Head Wrap Styles for Locks because I do currently have Microlocs, but you can do it if your hair is natural. You can do it with braids, you can do it with locks. As long as you can do a simple ponytail, you can do these quick and easy wrap styles. So all you need to do this is hair ties, my secret weapon, which is a wig grip, and your particular wrap of choice. Now, I have this one. It is like a t-shirty material. It's like a long rectangle, about as long as my arms. And this is what I have. I usually go back and forth between this one and a black one that I just got at my local beauty supply store. And that is what I'm going to be using for today's video. So if you guys are interested in these easy wrap styles, stay tuned. Okay, so this is a style I like to call the pineapple. So what you do first is you gather your hair on the top of your head. So let me go ahead and just do that. Okay, so now that you have your hair on top of your head, make sure that the ends are out. You're going to take your wig grip and put it right on your head. Making sure you put it right where you plan on having your wrap stop. If you have edges out, you can pull the wig grip back a little further to let those edges show. But y'all, I don't do nothing with my edges because I'm growing them out from postpartum. So we just not even gonna worry about that. So I got it on. Now we're gonna take our head wrap, open it up, and try to make sure it is as even as possible. You take it to the back of your head. After you get it over the back of your head, I like to have mine over my ears, so I make sure I put it above my ears like this. Take the excess wrap in the back and fold it under the ponytail so that the top of the ponytail is sticking out like so. In the front, you take it and you cross it over and you tighten it. Make sure it's sitting right on that wig grip. And before you close it all the way up, make sure you pull the ends of your locks out. So get it as tight as you like. Now take one side and I like to twist it. And then I begin to wrap it underneath that ponytail, like so. It's kind of adding some height to it. Once you get done with that, you tuck it under. Wait, can I tuck it? So you tuck it under and then just take the other side, twist it, and then wrap it the other way around the ponytail. And you tuck that as well. Once you got it all tucked, you just fluff out your locks. Boom, cute little pineapple wrap style. That's style number one. Okay, so style number two is really similar, but instead of having our ends out, we're going to make a cute bun. So I'm going to use an extra hair tie for that and make a cute bun. So now with the bun, we're going to take our scarf and do the exact same thing as we did the first time. So take it, put it behind your head, make sure everything is even. But this time you're going to make sure you cover the bun. So you cover the bun like so. Make sure it's even as possible. Tie it in the front. Now you're going to twist it like the first time and wrap it around the bun. Once you get it wrapped, you tuck, take the other side, twist that, and then wrap it the other way. And then you tuck that as well. And then boom, this right here is actually my favorite wrap style, but boom. Style number 2. And this is one I really prefer to wear when it's colder out like this because it protects my ends and keep them from getting dry. So style 2. Okay, for these last 2 styles, we're gonna make sure our wig band is on and our hair is in a low ponytail. So this time we're gonna take our wrap and bring it over the front of our head. Make sure it's as even as possible. Over the ears. We're going to tie it in the back and make sure the ends of the ponytails are out. So we're going to take it, tie it underneath. Tie it. Make sure that the ends are out and as even as possible. And you're going to twist it like the front. Wrap it under and wrap it around the ponytail. Make sure you wrap it around the ponytail. And then you tuck it in. Now with this one, oh wait, hold on. I gotta pull it down too far. There we go. Now with this extra piece, I like to twist it like so and wrap it around and tuck it into the back. Boom, like this. And that gives it a cute little style. And I have the back of my ends out. Bam, style number 3. Okay, so for this last style, we're gonna start with our hair in a low ponytail, but this time we're gonna tuck the ends under for a nice little bun. We're going to do just like we did for that previous style. We're going to take the wrap, make sure it is as even as possible, and put it over the front of your head. And we're going to turn around and we're going to tie it, but this time we're going to make sure that we cover up that bun. So we're going to tuck that in and tie it. Now we're going to take one end, twist it, and wrap it around the bun, and then tuck it. And then we're going to take the other side and wrap it or twist it and wrap it around as well. And then once we get it wrapped, we just go ahead and we tuck it in. Now this one makes my head look really big, but the bun is bunning, so I'm not gonna be mad at it. And boom, it has everything well protected and covered. So this is style number 4. All right, guys, so those were 4 simple and beginner-friendly ways to tie your head wrap. And those are the ones that I usually rotate in between because I am definitely in my head wrap era, and I have been for almost a couple of months now, and I absolutely love it here. So y'all let me know down below which style was your favorite and which style would you try. And if you made it to this point in the video, you obviously have great taste, so you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Don't forget to like the video on your way out, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Peace.